Thinking of using Xavadex.top to trade crypto like Ethereum, Solana, or Binance Coin? On the surface, it looks sleek, modern, and even a bit convincing, but before you sign up or deposit a single coin, you need to hear what I found. In this video, I take a deeper dive into Xavadex.top and reveal several serious red flags that could put your crypto and personal data at risk. While the platform appears to offer a smooth user interface and bold promises of high returns, the reality behind the curtain tells a much different story. The first thing that stood out was their Trustpilot page filled with 5-star reviews that seemed too polished and generic to be real, a common tactic used to build fake credibility. When I looked into the company's history, things didn't add up. There's no clear information about who runs the platform, and most of their claims about being in the market for years are unverifiable or flat-out false. They also mention having licensing and regulation in place, but I couldn't find a single piece of verifiable documentation to support that. One of the biggest warning signs was the lack of real customer support, no live chat, no reliable email responses, and definitely no one to talk to if your funds get stuck or something goes wrong. And let's not forget their claims of guaranteed profits and sky-high returns, which anyone experienced in crypto will tell you is an immediate red flag. I explored the platform, tested its features, and analyzed every corner of the site, and while nothing catastrophic happened during my time with it, the overall experience left me with far more doubts than confidence. So is Xavadex.top legit or just another crypto scam in disguise? It's not a straight yes or no, but there's enough concern here that I strongly recommend you do your own deep research and think twice before trusting this platform with your money.